So hands down, this easy roasted Brussels sprout recipe is the best I've ever had. Even the harshest critics can't deny it. And that says a lot for a vegetable that often gets a bad rap. So let's get to it. I start by cleaning and halving about 4 cups of fresh Brussels sprouts. Then I thinly slice half of 1 red onion. Then I chop up about 1 tablespoon of fresh rosemary. That all goes into a large mixing bowl. And then I add in 3 to 4 cloves of chopped garlic. 1/3 of a cup of pine nuts, but you can easily substitute hazelnut, almond, walnut, whatever you got. Into that mixing bowl, you're going to throw in 2 tablespoons of good extra virgin olive oil. About a 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt, and some fresh cracked pepper to taste. Then give it a good mix. Then evenly spread everything out on a baking sheet covered with aluminum foil. Then I toss it in the oven at 425 for about half an hour. And then while the sprouts are roasting, I'm going to mix up the balsamic maple glaze. Now you could use regular balsamic vinegar, but I'm going to use this pomegranate infused balsamic that I picked up a couple weeks ago. And this recipe calls for 2 tablespoons. Then to that you're going to add 2 teaspoons of a good maple syrup. This is actually some syrup that I made from my own maple tree out in my backyard. If you're interested in learning how to make your own maple syrup, you can click the link at the top of the screen there. Then stir it all up to combine. And then after about 15 minutes in the oven, you're going to want to check your sprouts and give those a good flip too. Then after about 30 minutes, you should have a good char in the roasted sprouts. You transfer them all to a big mixing bowl and coat with that balsamic maple glaze. Then 1 final stir to coat really well, and you're ready to serve. So if you got friends or family that are on the fence about this whole Brussels sprout thing, try out this recipe and you just might win them over. The tanginess of the vinegar combined with the sweetness of that maple syrup really sells the whole dish. It's perfect as a holiday side, or really anytime. Thanks for watching.